few on a walk really. They enjoy the play. Me, I'm just staying on an island around rushing water. See how deep that is? Crazy. Yeah, I'm not going over your side because I've got Jake and he'll wander off. No, I'm alone. Yeah, so I don't really want to do that. I have to work out how to get back now, even though I have somewhat clean my shoes. Yeah. So, but I'll get her. I'll get across. Yeah, can't be that hard. There's plenty of grab holds that I can see. Yeah. But here's a little snippet. I'm gonna put this in YouTube shorts. But yeah, this is what Crumble's doing right now. This is naughty Jake. Yeah. Alrighty guys. I'm gonna leave you to it and enjoy. This is just a little snippet. Really what they do. I can get the playing fun, but they tend to stop after a while, so it's quite hard. Juggling phones and dogs and doing all that stuff. I know it sounds dramatic, but it's true. Alright, see you guys.